Lily is a lady who had a very busy life and struggled with selecting a quick yet nutritious breakfast option. I hope you can relate. I'll continue my story in a bit. Hello, this is Oluwatunseyi here. Welcome back to my channel where I make healthy eating easy and delicious. Today, I have a very basic, quick and easy oatmeal breakfast recipe that you're going to love. Yes, back to Lily's story. There was this day she had a long day ahead of her and needed a quick and healthy breakfast to start her day right. Then she decided to make some oatmeal. Lily grabbed a bowl and filled it with 3 cups of water. She had a cup of oats, 1 banana, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a 1/4 cup of light date syrup. Now, using these ingredients, let's make our recipe. To the 3 cups of water already in the pot and slightly hot, pour the 1 cup of oats. Oatmeal is a popular breakfast option that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients and health benefits. It's made from whole oats that are rich in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Incorporating oatmeal into your breakfast routine has been linked to numerous health benefits such as improved digestion, lower cholesterol levels, better blood sugar control, and reduced risks of heart disease. Oatmeal is also a great option for weight management because it's low in calories but high in fiber, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. Give the chia seeds a quick rinse with the help of this sieve before adding it to the oats. This rinsing is absolutely optional. Bear in mind that once you pour water on the chia seeds, it will absorb water, thereby making it to start to swell and also to stick together. Pour the chia seeds into the pot. Chia seeds are a popular superfood that are loaded with nutrients and health benefits. They are packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and minerals like calcium and magnesium. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet has been linked to numerous health benefits such as improved digestion, lower blood pressure, improved heart health, better blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation. In this oatmeal breakfast recipe, chia seeds are a great addition because the extra fiber and protein from the chia seeds will help to keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the morning. So don't be afraid to add chia seeds to your meals and snacks to boost the nutritional value and enjoy the health benefits they offer. Add the diluted date syrup. Yours may be more concentrated. The choice is yours. Slice the banana and add it to the contents of the pot. You can decide to add the banana slices after the cooking is done with your customized toppings like some fruits of your choice, some milk, and some nuts or spices to make it your own. I've decided to make it as basic and simple as possible. Stir together using your spatula after about a minute. Bring it off the stove top and dish. If you're looking for a healthy and nutritious breakfast option, oatmeal is a great choice. It's easy to make, filling, and will keep you energized and focused throughout the day. Yes, back to my story. Lily enjoyed her oatmeal breakfast in just a few minutes, feeling energized and ready to take on the day. So even with a very busy schedule, it's important to make time for a healthy breakfast that will fuel your body and give you the energy you need to tackle your day. So whether you're a busy individual like Lily or just someone who wants a quick and healthy breakfast, remember the oatmeal is a great option that can be customized to your liking. And in just a few minutes, you can have a delicious and nutritious breakfast that will keep you going all day long. That's all for today's video, friends. I hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new about the health benefits of oatmeal and chia seeds. Don't forget to try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out. Remember, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so make sure you give it a try to start your day right off with a bowl of delicious and healthy oatmeal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.